If you're an iPhone user, then I bet you need to try this app right now. This app has shortcuts generated inside of the app already, and then you can just run it so that you'll be able to just use your iPhone with ease and have a nice experience on your iPhone. Let's check this out. So first of all, you need to get to the App Store and search for this app right here, Shortcuts Infinity Automate, and then you download it. And then when you open the app, this is how the interface looks like. I really like the fast charging mode, which is going to show you how you're going to be able to just charge your phone quickly in case it's low. So when you activate this fast charging mode, you're going to see what is going to turn off to make your phone run very, very quickly when you are charging it. So with this, you're going to tap on add shortcut right here, and then you just tap on add shortcuts. I've already added it, so you tap on replace in case you have it. And then when you want to activate it, you tap on it like this, and then you tap on enable, and it's just going to activate everything for you. So you can see right here, it has enabled everything, and then it has reduced the brightness and all that. If you want to disable it, you tap on it, and then you're going to see the disable coming on the screen again, and then it's going to disable everything for you. I think this is one of the best automations I've seen in this app. There are lots more you can go on to look for, and then this shows you how you are going to be able to just run. So in case you have any problems, you can just read through right here. Cool. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this app. So this app is actually both paid and then free app, and then you can just pay one time and then you get all the shortcuts inside of this app, and that is pretty much very cool. Like and follow me for more, because